Welcome back, students. Let us revise the 2 points we have studied today. The name of the lesson is Operations on Fractions. Our first point was showing fractions on a number line, and second one we have studied is multiplication of fractions. We will study today both the points. Now, there are 3 fractions here I have written. I want to show them on a number line. I have already drawn a number line here, and there are 3 fractions, 2 upon 5, 3 upon 5 and 4 upon 5. Now, how do we learn and how do we write it on a number line? As the denominator of all 3 fractions is 5, what we have to do is, we have to first make 5 equal parts of the given number line. So what we will do, first of all, we will make 5 equal parts of given number line somewhere here. Now what we will do, we have got the 5 equal parts of the given number line. So I place 0 here. I write 0 here and 1 here. Yes, 1 here. Now, one upon 2 means the half of the given line. Same way, 2 upon 5, 3 upon 5, 4 upon 5 we have to place on this number line. This is the first line after 0, so we will place here 1 upon 5. Now why 5? Because we are making 5 equal parts of the line from 0 to 1. If this is 1, obviously this will be 2 upon 5. Next, 3 upon 5. Now I am not writing simply here 3 upon 5. 3 upon 5 indicates this point. Here 4 upon 5. And this 5 also means 5 upon 5. Yes, so 5 upon 5 you can also write it as 1. When numerator and denominator are both same, it becomes 1. Not only for 5 upon 5 but also 7 upon 7, 12 upon 7, 12 upon 12, 19 upon 19, so on. All fractions, if their numerators and denominators are same, it becomes 1. Now which two numbers we had to indicate? We had to indicate 2 upon 5, 3 upon 5 and 4 upon 5. So this is, I'll take another color, 2 upon 5, 3 upon 5 and 4 upon 5. So these are our 3 numbers. Okay children, hope you understand. Now we will turn to multiplication of fractions. I have written 2 examples here. First one is 2 upon 5 multiplied with 3 upon 8, and second one is 4 upon 7 multiplied with 3 upon 7. First example is with different denominators and second example is with same denominators. Let's consider first example, 2 upon 5 multiplied by 3 upon 8. While multiplication, you don't have to see whether their denominators are equal. All you need to do is multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. So in this example, 2 into 3, 2 into 3, common division sign, this one, and 5 multiplied by 8, 5 into 8. So 2 into 3 gives you 6, 5 into 8 gives you 40. Okay, 5 8s are 40. So your last answer of 2 upon 5 multiplied by 3 upon 8 gives you 6 upon 40. Let's turn to second example with same denominators. 4 upon 7 into 3 upon 7. Same, you don't have to worry about if the denominators are equal, only for multiplication of fractions. So multiply 4 and 3, put them in numerator since both the numbers are numerators. 4 into 3 will give you 12, 4 3s are 12, and 7 multiplied by 7, 7 7s gives you 49. So the last answer, final answer for 4 upon 7 into 3 upon 7 gives you 12 upon 49. Here we cover up the 2 points of the lesson showing fractions on a number line and multiplication of fractions. Thank you.